Before I went through the Damai program, I thought I would like to think of myself as someone who is knowledgeable in the societal issues and the problems, the cancers, so-called cancers in the community. Someone knowledgeable about those things. But I am admittedly only knowledgeable from a certain perspective. But after the Damai program, it's as if I was able to not only be aware of what is happening in our society, but I got to live out what other people were going through. As someone who has been, well, as someone who has had life easier in the sense that I have certain privileges that unfortunately other people do not get to receive at this time or at any point at all. It made me feel like I'm transformed. I now see myself as someone who has the capacity and responsibility to be more present and more involved. The Damai program showed and taught me that even as people, and with or without these so-called privileges, we are all equal, not in the sense that us privileged have to step down to be on the same level as those other people. But the thing is, we have always been equals. We all strive to get to the same point in life, whether or not the path is easier for some and harder for others. With this in mind, if we all strive to be the same thing, then is there really a difference between us? For the excluded part, before I looked at exclusion as something unfortunate and a problem for others, as I said in the self part, if we all want the same things to happen to us as individuals, then is there really a difference between us? Is there really a need for us to exclude other people? After the Damai, after the talks, after getting to spend more time with my foster family, I have learned that, oh, they're not that different. It's just that their paths, their journeys are different themselves. And they excluded the stories. These are not only stories but happenings in real life. As for poverty, I believe, is something unavoidable, unfortunate yet unavoidable. After Damai, it helped me learn that with poverty, it's not really monetarial. I mean, it is a monetarial problem, but then again, even if they have those problems, even if it is unfortunate as seen by society, if you see their lives, there's so much more to life than just monetary, financial resources. Family, friends, companions, they are the real meaning of life. For the preferential option for the poor, I think it's a call to action. It means intentionally choosing to be able to help and to stand and to serve the poor. As for the prayer, I would like to begin with a thanks to the Lord that they have shown me, who underwent the Damai program, and the rest of my classmates, my fellow students, that yeah, poverty and the excluded doesn't mean it has to be a big deal in regards to societal hierarchies. And I would like to thank the Lord for opening my eyes and reminding me that I should be thankful for the privilege I get. Amen.